I'm sure you've heard the news. There's proof that the Earth rotates, and it's all thanks to a swinging pendulum. Meet Jean Bernard Léon Foucault, a self-taught scientist with a knack for invention. In 1851, he conducted an experiment that changed science forever. Using a massive iron pendulum, Foucault demonstrated that Earth rotates. How? As the pendulum swung, it traced shifting lines in the sand below, proving that while the pendulum's plane remained steady, Earth was spinning beneath it. This groundbreaking experiment, supported by Emperor Napoleon III, made Foucault an overnight celebrity, but it wasn't just about the pendulum. It was about challenging centuries-old beliefs and opening minds to new possibilities. Foucault's pendulum not only proved a point, it inspired future generations to question, explore, and discover. And that, history buffs, is how a swinging pendulum changed the course of science forever.